guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this look for you and I'm using all NYX cosmetics. So it's a one brand makeup tutorial again. I love doing these, especially with drugstore makeup, because one, it's affordable, and two, it's always so impressive or disappointing. It's like no in between. That is what we're gonna get into. Don't mind me, I'm so cold, which is why I'm wearing this fluffy ass jacket. But anyway, but don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me on my Instagram, which I will have linked over here probably, or over here, I don't know where. And then yeah, pretty much that's it. So we'll just jump. Oh, before we get into it, all the products that I mentioned will be listed down below. So let's jump into the video. So I have a bunch of goodies in here from NYX. I got at Ulta the other day. I mean, for the most part, I have a lot of NYX stuff already, but I still needed to pick up some, you know, some things here and there. I actually noticed that I didn't own any eye stuff from NYX, so I had to get one. So this is one of them. This is the Ultimate Edit Petite palette. This is in the shade Warm Neutrals, and it's just like super cute. I'll show you guys in the video. And then for the eyes, I also got glitter rolls by NYX, and I saw these and I swatched them and I was so shook with the pigment. I can't wait to use that. I'm probably gonna use it in like my prom makeup tutorial as well, because the glitter is like it. So we're gonna get started. Let me zoom you guys in. There. Okay, so I've been breaking out so bad and I don't know what's going on, but anyways, I just got home from work and I'm fucking tired. I am so tired, but you know what? I was like, I need to get this bread and I need to film videos. So anyways, I'm going in with this palette first. This is the NYX Ultimate Petite palette, that's what it's called, and this is the one that's Warm Neutrals, as you see here. But it's cute. We'll see how it works. I think it was kind of pricey. I think it was like $12 for only 6 shades, so we'll see how well it works. So I'm gonna do it on this side and I'll do this side off camera. So next I'm gonna go in with this brown shade, and I believe that's number 1. So before I went in with number 3, and I'm just gonna put that like with a tight brush. This is the Morphe M433 brush, to just put it like right in my crease, like right under my crease. And then you can grab that same brush we were using before. By the way, that was the Morphe M441 brush with no additional product, and just blend the 2 shades together. Okay, so we're gonna kind of leave it like that. We'll deepen it up in a little bit, but now we're gonna go on to the lid, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take this brush. It's the Morphe M421 brush. It looks just like, it's like a flat brush, and I will try it without any spray first, because when I swatched it at Ulta, these glitters were really pigmented. So which shade should I go in with? Oh my god, that is so beautiful. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So now I'm actually going to take this little brush. This is like my favorite, one of my favorite products ever. This is the Sigma Blending E36 brush. So before I got cut off, I said I'm gonna do my eyeliner. So I'm gonna try to do it on camera, and I'm gonna use the NYX matte eyeliner. This is by far probably my favorite NYX product of all time. It's very matte, and I don't know what it is, but it always makes my eyeliner look good, like no matter what. Attempting to do this eyeliner here. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera because I can't like show it and do it. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes, and I didn't put lashes on yet. I honestly have not had a pair of lashes I really like in so long. So leave me your recommended lashes down below and I'll check it out, because I don't like any of the ones I have right now. So picking on lashes would be terrible. But anyways, I finished the eye and it looks really good, and I did my eyeliner, of course. And yeah, we're gonna get into the face. So I'm gonna use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation without primer, because I didn't pick up a primer. To be honest, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal one. I didn't see one that I really liked, so oh, that's too much. So I'm gonna make a disclaimer now. If you are one of those people who loves to tell people their foundation doesn't match, get out of this video now. I guarantee you this foundation application is gonna piss you off, so just don't even watch it. Just exit out and then come back later. This foundation is like 5 shades too dark, as you can clearly see. So I got this in the summer, and right after I got off a cruise, and it matched me pretty well. It was still like, no, it was like my shade. I moved to Texas and it's winter right now, and I'm like 10 shades lighter than I would be in Florida. And I have not gotten any sun in months. So this is gonna look really, really ridiculous, really, honestly. If I'm being honest, it's ridiculous. But I didn't want to pick up another one of these just because I have so much left. And I usually mix it with a really light foundation. And it's like $16 always. I didn't want to spend that if I had it. So I'm gonna make it work. I'm sorry. You see how dark it is? Lord. I'm sorry. Okay. And taking my e.l.f. blending sponge, I'm just gonna la. And I do have a video where it's a review on this foundation if you guys want to check it out. So now I'm going to go in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is in the shade Vanilla. I have never tried this before, so we'll see how this works. The concealer's okay. It's not anything like spectacular. It kind of like, I would say it's like medium coverage. I don't think it's that full. And then I'm gonna go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. So I haven't really heard anyone talk about this, and I don't know if that's a bad thing, but I'm gonna try it out. Okay, as I was saying, I got cut off, so sorry, but it's so yellow, this translucent powder, that it doesn't even look like banana powder. It looks like very yellow. I don't know. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Okay. So it looks like kind of weird. I don't know how to explain this. Oh, okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this bronzer. This is the NYX matte bronzer in the shade medium. So let's see how it works out. Alright, well, that's as cute as it's gonna get. And last but not least, I'm going in with this little highlighter. This is the Duo Chromatic Highlighter in the shade, this is it, it's so small. This is in the shade Snow Rose, which was like, they had no gold shade. It was white, pink, and like, I guess this is like a pink white one. And this is like their only highlighter I was able to find. I don't even know. You know what? I will say what I like about this is that it doesn't sit on the skin. It doesn't look streaky. Kind of just like melts. It kind of looks like a very subtle glow, but you can still see it. I don't know how to explain that. And it does have some pink in it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish my eyes and set my face, and then I'll be back to finish off my lips and we'll be all set, so be back. Okay guys, so I finished my whole face and I did my lips off camera. All I did was use a gloss with the NYX lip liner. So this is the look, guys. And I did some lashes and just, you know, smoked out my bottom lashes, my bottom lash line using the same shades I used on my eye, and then some mascara. It is so crazy. Like, I didn't really like it while I was putting everything on, but now looking at it, it looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm tripping. You know, sometimes I feel like I am. But I really, like, for example, like the setting powder, I didn't really like when I put it on and I brushed it off. I was like, girl, what is this? It looks a mess. And then the bronzer kind of blended out a little funny, but I kind of like it now when it's all put together and nicely. I kind of like it. I'll have to try it out with flash to see if I look good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like always, I appreciate it, and I will catch you guys next time. What is this? I will catch you guys next time. Yeah.